How to Make People Like You in 45 Seconds or Less, is an article that provides practical tips on how to quickly and effectively build strong connections with people. The articles emphasizes the importance of making a positive first impression, using body language and communication techniques to establish rapport, and finding common ground with others. Some of the key strategies outlined in the book include: smile and make eye contact to establish trust and warmth. Listen actively to demonstrate interest and understanding. Use mirroring techniques to match the other person's body language and communication style. Find common ground and shared interests to build rapport. Use positive language and avoid negative or judgmental comments. Pay attention to the other person's needs and interests, and be willing to help or offer value. The article emphasizes the importance of authenticity and being true to yourself, while also recognizing the importance of adapting your communication style to connect with others. By following the strategies outlined in the book, you can quickly establish strong connections with people and build positive relationships.